These are my favorite iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max accessories for this summer. So if you are excited, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel, let's talk about it. So, summer has already begun, and if you are looking to buy some accessories to take the most out of your iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max in these summer months, then look no further. These are my favorite top 5 accessories for the iPhone 15 Pro Max that I've been enjoying a lot lately. First, I have this compact tripod from Sandmark. This is very useful if you want to take photography and video seriously this summer, and this is a very compact aluminum tripod that will help you out. This has a mounted plate, this has very easy unfoldable arms, this has a lever, this has a very compact design, as you can see, like this small, and it's still 1 meter tall, I think, or 60-70 centimeters tall. It's really easy to unfold, it's really easy to carry around on your backpack. It comes with a zipper bag, all the accessories that you need to mount a camera, to mount an iPhone. So I do believe having this cool tripod, very compact and easy to use to carry around on vacation, to take photos of your family, videos of your vacation, everything. Having a cool and very sturdy tripod is very, very essential, and this one I think it's on the top of my list. So great job Sandmark making this incredible tripod, really compact, very, very sturdy, it's not expensive, and it's really easy to use. The perfect tripod for your iPhone. If you want to carry around an iPhone instead of a mirrorless camera, it's because if you want a compact design, very lightweight setup for taking videos and photos, and having a very lightweight and compact tripod should match your iPhone. So this Sandmark option is really, really amazing. On the topic of video and photos on your iPhone, I have these two interchangeable lenses. Yes, these are lenses for your iPhone. It's really weird, I know, but this is true. These are very unique products for your iPhone. And this summer, I do believe they are worth taking a look at. Because in my hand, I have two different lenses. This is a 100mm macro lens, really cool. And this is a 58mm telephoto. Both of these lenses are unique because they give a different perspective for the lenses of your iPhone. Currently, your iPhone, specifically the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, have three lenses: a wide 24mm wide lens, 30mm ultra-wide lens, and 120 or 70mm telephoto, depending on which iPhone you have, the iPhone 15 Pro or the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I do have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but since, again, Sandmark sent me these two lenses together with the tripod, again, this is not sponsored, they did not pay me anything, they simply sent me the product and said, what do you think? And for the last month and a half, I've been using them, and I love them. These two lenses are great. Specifically, this macro lens gives a very unique perspective to your iPhone. It's 100mm, so it zooms in very, very far away, and of course, does macro shots. So you need to be very, very close. So this is perfect for those incredible macro shots on the jungle, on vacation, on those beautiful flowers and animals, exotic stuff. This macro will give it a different perspective on those incredible, incredible subjects. This is a great option. It's really high quality. The lenses are really premium. They are made of this material, I think it's zinc or magnesium, the same material that you see on mirrorless camera lenses, really high quality, has this lens cover that is also really easy to put on and off, comes with this bag, which is also super cool. It comes with a microfiber cloth bag to store your lenses, comes with a microfiber cloth to clean your lenses. It comes with even more accessories for ND filters to clamp on. So I do believe that both of these lenses are really, really cool. Again, this is 100mm macro, and this is a 58mm telephoto. This is almost like a 2.5x on your lens. I love using this telephoto lens for my wide lens. So instead of using the telephoto lens present on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is this iPhone right here, I like to use the main sensor a lot because it's really, really high quality. And if you pair it together with this 2.5x telephoto lens, to look even more incredible. Of course, if you pair this together, which you can, with the telephoto, you will get an equivalent of 250mm telephoto, which is just insane on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And if you do have the iPhone 15 Pro, you can have around 150, 160mm equivalent with this lens. The only issue is, because of this telephoto lens packed together with your telephoto lens on the iPhone, the minimum focus distance for this setup will be very, very high. So you need to be very far away from the subject for this to be able to actually zoom in on the subject. So I would pair this together with a wide lens every time, because this will increase the quality of your night photos and night videos. Again, the wide lens is the best lens, is the widest one with the biggest aperture, so in low light scenarios, of course, it will have even more quality than the other lenses. If you pair this together with this telephoto lens, you will get amazing low light telephoto photography and video. So I do believe both of these lenses are a perfect buy for this summer if you are looking into photography or video for vacations. They are really small, really compact, but really, really high quality. They are not that expensive. The only thing you need to get in mind is with these lenses, with this system, mounting system, you need to buy a case. And for the case, I do have it right here. It's also from Sandmark. This is really simple. It has a mounting system. This mounting system, you just take this tab from the back and you mount on the back of your iPhone. Really simple. You just buy the case, you buy these two lenses, and you have the whole setup ready to take photos and videos. It's just incredible to have these options, these lenses. Sandmark also has tons of options. This is not sponsored, this is not paid promotion, nothing. This is simply my true honest opinion. This is really great, packed together with this tripod that I told you before. This is a great photo and video setup for your summer. So yes, interchangeable lenses, tripods. I know it seems like a camera accessory video, but no, it's for your iPhone. And yes, I know you want to take all those photos and all those videos, but you are worried that you don't have enough storage on your iPhone. In that case, I recommend you getting a T7 Shield Samsung SSD. This is great because this is rugged, and so it's perfect for you to take on vacation, to drop, to put in your bag. This is very portable, lightweight, and easy to carry around because again, it's rugged, it's very durable, and it's USB-C Thunderbolt speeds. So you can connect your USB-C cable to the USB-C SSD, and then via USB-C you just connect to your iPhone. One of the best perks with the iPhone Pro Max is the ability to use USB-C accessories. And so, there you go. You have 1 terabyte of space right here. This is cool and amazing for you if you want to film log footage, vlog your vacation, I don't know, anything you want to do with very, very high storage needs, then buying an external SSD is a great, great option. And these ones right here are not expensive. They cost, I think, $100, $150, $80, I think I bought this one. So they are not expensive. You can buy like 3, or you can buy a 2 terabyte version, a 4 terabyte version. They will have enough space for all of your vacation photos and videos, and they are great, great option. Again, they are lightweight, they are USB-C, they are rugged, so they are perfect for your vacation, carry around in your backpack. They won't damage it, they won't be flawed, you won't lose anything because again, it's SSD, not hard drive, so it's more reliable than other hard drives that I have for long-term storage. This is what I would trust my vacation photos and videos for this summer. Keeping up the summer vibes, of course, I need to talk about the DJI mic system. This is great for your vlogs. Yes, if you want to vlog or record your vacation, if you want to document something, if you want to do interviews, I don't know, anything you want to record your audio on, then this is perfect. This is the first generation DJI mic system, but now DJI has launched the second generation. I only used the first generation, so I can only talk about this one. But I do believe this is great. This comes with 1 receiver and 2 transmitters. They are great. They charge on this case, just like AirPods. They are always connected. They charge via USB-C. They come with this very cool stringer bag for you to store all of the things. They come with dead cats. They come with headphone jack cable for your camera. Again, they can record internal audio for backup. They can record external audio. And now with the second generation version, you can record 32-bit float. So I do believe that's a great, great option. Again, like I told you, I only have the first generation one right here, but I do believe the second generation has a little bit different design. It's a little bit better with better battery life, better Bluetooth range. But again, the biggest advantage of that system over the first generation would be the 32-bit float. That's almost like recording log footage. You won't be able to clip the highlights or the shadows. In this case, you won't be able to clip the audio. So if I scream very, very loudly, you won't be able to clip the audio on top. And if I whisper to the microphone, you will be able also to turn up the audio in editing. Again, I'm currently recording this audio from this video with the DJI mic system right here. I love it. I record all of my videos with it, but I do believe it's a great companion for your iPhone because the receiver, it connects via USB-C to your iPhone. So if you use USB-C port with the receiver, you can just record vlogs whenever you want. With the dead cat, there's no worries about the wind. I know if you go to the beach or some windy place in the summer, you'll have no issues with the DJI mic system. It's a great, great option for those that love recording video with very, very high quality audio. And for my last accessory, well, imagine that your iPhone could fly. Yes, what if your iPhone could fly? Well, you don't need to ask that question because in this accessory, my last one, this one can. It's the DJI Mini 2. This is incredible. This is my favorite drone in terms of price. It costs only $289. Super cheap, but it has 4K footage. It's not the best 4K footage. It's not DJI Mavic 3-like footage, but it's good. Like, it's perfect for social media, for your own videos. It's not perfect for professional work, but it's really cool because it weighs less than 250 grams, which makes it perfect to fly anywhere in any country. It's probably under all the laws if you fly it outside. I know that in Europe, you need to be registered. You can do it in a few minutes on the website. You don't need to have any license to fly this drone. Pretty cool. In the United States, I know if it's even better if it's under 249 grams. You don't need to be registered as a pilot. So again, that's also an advantage. This is a great option. It's really cheap. With the DJI Fly More combo, you can get more batteries, which is even cooler for your drone. It costs, I think, $500, $450, this Fly More combo. You get more propellers, you get a case, a nice cool case to carry around. But I do believe the DJI Mavic Mini 2 SE, wherever it's called right now, it's 4K, it's small, really compact. This is the size of this drone. This is the palm of my hand. This is this drone. So, as you can see, really small, only weighs 249 grams, about the same weight as the iPhone 15 Pro Max, can give you 4K footage. Imagine if your iPhone could fly. This can. And this can be a really cool accessory for your iPhone for your vacation. You take your iPhone, you take the tripod, you take the lenses, you take the SSD, the external SSD, and you take your drone, and voila, you have the perfect vacation setup. Yes, this is amazing for filming your vacation, so when you return, you can have all of your memories stored in a different way. Put that on your gallery, put that on Instagram, everyone will be jealous. So yes, the DJI Mavic Mini 2 4K is a great option. This has about 30-something minutes of flight time. This has 4K footage. This has a really cool gimbal to stabilize your footage. Flies with the DJI Fly app. All of these cool features, intelligent flight modes. Nowadays, they have tons of safety measures for you to fly a drone. If you are a beginner, watch some YouTube videos, train a little before you go on a vacation, and then, well, everyone will be jealous of your vacation footage. You can show it on work, then in September, everyone will be incredibly jealous because, again, this drone takes incredible footage, incredible perspectives, incredible photos. You will thank me later. And so, these were all the accessories for the iPhone 15 Pro Max for this summer. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel. I will have all the links in the description down below. Bye bye.